everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and I'm starting with that hard paper, which is from Crate Paper Love Notes, the Going Steady paper, and that collection is from 2013. So it needs to get into a scrapbook page or on a scrapbook page and into an album. I still love the papers. I just don't scrap Valentine's Day very often, so or lovey stuff very often. Not that I can't, because I do have a boyfriend to do that with, but I don't do that as often. So these are photos from my at this point 3-year-old grandson's school Valentine's Day party, and the kids are so cute there, just hanging out and looking darling there. So I've got kind of 2 like normal phone photos, and then one that's more of a landscape photo showing the table there. Okay, so just getting those down, and I've got a little bit of a wonky grid here, sort of. And then I know that I want to do a little bit of journaling and use that Serge like ledger paper there. That ledger paper is from Crate Paper, the Paper Heart collection, and it is the Petals paper. So I'm just going to cut a strip of that and then kind of tuck it behind until I like the arrangement here. And that'll call some attention to that ledger paper. Okay, there we go. So that was pretty easy. And then I find this sticker that says Happy Valentine's Day. Looks like it's been stamped on, and I really like that to kind of decorate that ledger paper journaling box there. That came from the Crate Paper Love Notes accent stickers. That's again from 2013. So yay for getting those on there. Now, this is a piece of Doodlebug ribbon. I suspect this is older because it came in, a friend of mine gave me a grab bag of Doodlebug products that she got on Amazon. And it was in there. So it's the boutique trims in the Love Assortment. And there's a mark on that ribbon from some glue. Unfortunately, it's like right in the middle of a 12 by 12 piece. And it's something that you'd have to cover up because, if I tried to do it from the other side of the ribbon, there's just not enough to get the full 12 by 12 piece that I need coming from either end of the ribbon, I guess is what I want to say. So I'm trying some Goo Gun on here, and it's helping, but it's really not coming off very well. So I've decided what I'm going to do is just intentionally cover that with something. And I'll figure that out as I go. Then I'm using these glue lines. So what I'm going to do, I've had this forever. It comes in handy when you're gluing something down that's long and fabric, which would be ribbon, not rhythm. It is a little bit dimensional, but not too bad. So then I'm just going to take some tape and tape that ribbon on the back. Sometimes I'll use my ATG. In this particular case, my ATG was being a pain, so I just did it that way. And that's fine. I know that may not be completely photo safe, but I'm really not that worried about it. There are plenty of stories. So I'm thinking about using those Doodlebug little like acrylic charms, but I didn't like the colors of those with the colors that I already have on the layout. So now I'm trying to figure out what to do to hide that that adhesive, leftover adhesive, and I did make it kind of hit about where the 2 photos on the bottom join, towards the middle of the paper basically. So I'm going to add these hearts from Ellie's Studio Puffy Heart stickers. I think this is an assortment that at least as I'm doing the voiceover for this in late fall, early winter of 2023, that I believe it's still available. I like this Happy Love Day sticker here, and it's dark enough that it can hold its own on the background or with the background here. So that came from that Love Notes accent stickers as well. And then I'm just adding in a couple of hearts there. So hearts in both of those, the middle and on that sticker on the bottom. I decided I'm going to do my title now, which is Valentine's Day Party. So imaginative. Those are the Doodlebug Alphabet Soup puffy letters in white. Fairly long title, but pretty easy because I just started with kind of like a justification to the left. And I figured that it would be fine all the way across or most of the way across. That I do like the fact that that's white because the ledger paper is so white, so that white at the top kind of helps balance that. Actually, the ledger paper is a little creamy, but it helps balance that. And then on the bottom with that Valentine's or Love Day, Happy Love Day sticker, there's a little bit of that creamy white there too, and then the white in the ribbon and the hearts in the ribbon. Okay, and then I don't want hearts in just two places. It would look weird, so I added two up on the journaling box there as well. Here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.